Tonight is the night. Tonight is the night. Records are out the door. This is the backyard brawl, and this is the one we want to get. Go from the very first kickoff and get after these guys the entire night. Integrity, family, school, service, football. I am only one, but I'm part of a team. I cannot do everything, but I can do my job. Therefore, I have to do what I can.
Knock, knock, tell him all that we here. Make it clear. We hear your breath, we feel the fear. Knock, knock, tell them all that we here. Let's go. I shouldn't even
nice, Daylen, nice. Good job, good job.
Pull the limits, breaking every ceiling. The story not finished, my friend. We just in a prequel. We rise high in a chapter, another sequel. This world count on us, and we don't let him down. Tonight is strong, no matter the odds, we'll stand our ground. We hear your breath, we feel your fear.